EU government crew to Roro Italian flag to Embark. We see how before we couldn't compete with these marvelous conditions that some get, like they work one day and they have 5 leave years, and on board merchant marine we have to do one kind of system. But slowly this level market has been adapting to inflation, to supply and demand, to European shortage of these 26 countries running chickens with no head, running in each direction. This is the merchant marine in Europe, and no real policy for tax, for social security, for pension, for training, for adapting one education system so that we could really get certified captains from ratings, like they do in northern countries, in the intelligent, well, in some cases, countries. So if you are now working for an European government merchant marine, think about joining this private sector, because the Italian flag Roros have now conditions closer to your backyard than not before. We have these ships of 37,000 tons and 67,000 tons, of course, yeah. So you might need a big backyard. Now, no other European government can compete with these ships, 37,000 tons and 67,000 tons, and very modern, state-of-the-art, filled with perfect Italian professional seafarers, and of course, Italian food. Think if you are now sailing on board those, remember the gravy, or remember these northern potato foods, and this type of Mediterranean salad with olive oil, this kind of menus on board, and people smiling, not like up north and never smile ever. So apply urgently, fill the crew inspector database that we have in a way to go faster. You don't need to have English this time. We have minimum Italian safety language manuals that you would have to study. If you're rating, €2,850 net. If you are a second engineer, 7,000 net. Then 4,800, third engineer, 5,000 euros net and netto apply in Candina, because today the labor market now is moving towards the private sector that is really with such size of ships of 67,000 tons, state of the art. If you are a very good professional, invest in yourself and be with the leaders in the maritime merchant field, a family company like Candina. Thank you. Bye.